Assalamu alaikum pre-9 class. Hope you are all fine students. Unit number 1, problem solving of computer science subject. Students, in the previous lecture we have studied about the role of algorithms and formulation of an algorithms. Now today we are going to start topic 1.3.4 examples of algorithms, and it's on page number 17. Example number 1 is to find the sum, product and average of 5 given numbers. Step number 1, start. Step number 2, input numbers n0, n1, n2, n3 and n4. Students, first notation is to start the algorithm. Second one is we have to give the input numbers in the computer memory, as we have to find the sum, product and average of 5 numbers. So we are given the 5 numbers n0, n1, n2, n3 and n4. Step number 3, set sum to n0 plus n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4. Step number 4, set product to n0 multiply by n1 multiply by n2 multiply by n3, and last one is multiply by n4. Step number 5, set average to n0 plus n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4 divided by 5. Now we are using the set notation to give name to data in computer memory, as we have to find the sum, product and average. In the sum we have to add, in the product we have to multiply, and to find the average we have to put the formula of average. In the step number 6, output sum, product and average, as output is used to display the values, so the computer will display the value of sum, product and average. And step number 7 is the end of algorithm. As I have explained the example, now I am going to read out its explanation. In this algorithm, step 1 shows starting of the algorithm. Step 2 shows that a user provides 5 numeric values and they are stored in computer memory with the names n0, n1, n2, n3 and n4. Step 3 shows summation of all the input values and storing the result in computer memory with name sum. Similarly, step 4 is used to compute multiplication of all the numbers and store the result with name product. In step 5, formula to calculate average of 5 numbers is applied and the result is stored with name average. The step 6 shows the results of the steps 3, 4 and 5 respectively. The step 7 shows end of the algorithm. Now we have the example number 2, to find acceleration of a moving object with given mass and the applied force. Step number 1 is to start. Step number 2, input numbers, mass and force. We are given the input numbers in the computer memory with the name of mass and force. Step number 3, set acceleration to force divided by mass, as we have to find the acceleration of moving object, so we are going to put the formula of acceleration, that is force divided by mass, in the computer memory. Step number 4, output acceleration. So now after calculation, computer will display the output with the name of acceleration, and step number 5 is end. Now the example number 3, to find the volume of a cube. Step number 1, start. Step number 2, input number, site. Input number which we are assigning the name in the computer memory with site. Step number 3, set volume to site multiply by site multiply by site, as we have to find the volume of a cube, so we must know the formula of a cube, that is site multiply by site multiply by site. Step number 4, output volume. After processing, it gives the output, and in the step number 5 the algorithm will be end. So students, today we have solved 3 examples of algorithm. You have to practice these examples. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.